More than 100 million people across the Great Lakes, Northeast, and Mid-Atlantic feeling the effects of the dense wildfire smoke that is coming down from Canada.
Now, fires are becoming larger and more severe, so they're exceeding what these forests are used to.
A community has been largely destroyed by wildfire.
The thick orange haze causing the air quality to spike to levels so hazardous that some states are warning that healthy adults may be affected.
Even though we're thousands of miles south from where these fires are actually taking place, we're still seeing the effects of them all the way down here, with smoke filling our air and affecting our air quality. But I just put this foot brake on and I really want to ride and practice with it to improve, so I'm gonna risk my life for y'all and get out there and still ride. And it's raining now, so cool.
Okay, and two things quick before we get started. One, I absolutely do not condone this. I'm gonna ride for like maybe 20 minutes just to get some practice in on this foot brake. And secondly, thoughts and prayers out to those who are actually experiencing the really bad side effects closer to the fires. So anyways, let's go ride. For those of you that haven't been following the channel, what the hell? But last video we put on this foot brake from DFW Moto. It is a dual caliber foot brake, so we have a rear pit bike brake, and then I put formulas for the hand brake. So let's go do this thing. All right, first foot brake wheelie of the day. We've been focusing on trying to drop back. As you can see, no handbrake is being used right now. My goals with this foot brake are to get super good, obviously to be able to coast with it, drop all the way back, and then also eventually take my left hand off, get some swaggy one-hand wheelies, and naturally, no hand. That's been a goal for a while, and I just haven't been able to get a foot brake for this thing, so now that I have it, I'm pretty stoked. You know, it's called a foot brake, but realistically, with how this is set up, it's more of a toe brake. Like, you really only need to use your toe, because if you use your whole foot, you'll just slam right down. It's super touchy, which is good. Yep. It's all foot brake. We have this little path here too that I can hit. Yeah! See if I can still do stand-up circles with the old handbrake. Yeah, we can. And a little foot dab, and back up. Okay. Drop back a little more. Come on. There you go. This XL has been so fun. If you guys are interested in this bike, you can use code ConnorG to save, I think, 5% or 6% or something. It's good. Way more power than the standard RTR Sport. Double the power, 16 kilowatt. That's in the highest mode. I usually only really run it in like 8 to 10 now. Look at this wing, wow. But yeah, she has got plenty of pep, plenty of get up and go. If you switch it to Sport here, she cruises along, no problemo. Police in this city so far at least have been generally chill, but last time I came to this spot, we got kicked out.
Go somewhere else, man.
Okay.
Right over there. You can do fucking wheelies.
Okay, my bad.
Yeah.
Honestly, I was just trying to go to a parking lot is all, but I understand.
Yeah, I understand, bro.
Kicked out isn't bad compared to impounded, so hopefully there's no one here this time. This is a little handbrake work. A little stoppy. And drop back. And woo! See, that's where it works. That's where I need to be too, though. Yeah! Yeah, bud! Okay! I like that. There we go. This is me showing you guys that if you know how to wheelie handbrake, it is possible to learn with foot brake in a pretty good amount of time. Once you know the sensation of balance point, it's just using your little toe or your big toe instead of your finger. Whoa! I almost slipped off the seat there. Shit, there he is right there. You're kidding me. Alright, I don't think he saw me. I mean, who knows if it's the same officer, but goddamn. I mean, I'm doing it, but I'm not dropping back. Best on a foot brake on the RTR? Like, why can I do the drop back with 2 hands, but not with 1?
You're a pussy.
But yeah, best on the RTR with a foot brake. Yeah, I love how people say that. You know, because I'm, I think, probably the only one. I'm sure if some 12-year-old gets one, they will then take that crown from me. And that's all right. Guys, I will say there's been a lot of doomer content recently as far as the e-bike scene goes. I think the Boca scooters video was one thing. I mean, there's always videos of kids, you know, road raging, you know, 12-year-olds road raging with 40-year-olds driving their cars. What do you guys think? Do you think the e-bike scene is cooked? Let me know down below. My personal opinion is it's definitely under more scrutiny, I would say. I can't really say much because look at me out here doing wheelies on my e-bike. But I think there's definitely like a line that's acceptable as far as, you know, we're out here doing hooligan shit. We know that it's questionably legal. Maybe it's a gray area, probably not. So just be respectful. Don't be a dick, but that's too much to ask for some people, I think. So the air quality rating is, I think, a 187 right now, which yesterday it was like a 275 and it was way hazier. It's still definitely hazy out, but you know, you could smell the air and it felt horrible. I got a headache and my throat kind of hurt from it. I might get the same thing today, but it's definitely not as bad as yesterday. Too fun. But yeah, back to the are e-bikes cooked conversation. I think in some way they probably are. I think there's going to be stricter regulations, but the rule of thumb I've always operated under is just typically staying away from where the police are anyways. And if I see them, you know, maybe just to not interact, certainly not instigate. And I think I'll just continue doing that, and you know, we'll see what happens. I do have a comfier tall seat coming for this, so I hope that should help with grip and comfort, because riding this thing for too long, especially with the foot brake, where I'm really locking myself into this seat, I look like I have rug burn on my ass after I ride for about an hour. But yeah, I'm super happy with this foot brake so far. Honestly, I think it works better than the formulas, frankly, and I'm a huge formula glazer, but super powerful, super touchy, which I like. And I just gotta continue to commit to actually dropping back. Yeah! That's where we need to be, dude. Let's go. Now we just gotta do that more consistently. Woo! I don't like how not smooth I am. I feel like I'm just alternating between brake and throttle endlessly, but too scared to drop back with a hand off. Okay, no more playing here. Yup. That's called a drop back, Connor. Remember? That's a drop back. That's how you use a foot brake. Come on now. Come on now. Manifestation. You got this. You got this. You got this. Come on. You know what to do. It's like a weird mind thing with having one hand off doing the wheelie and then still holding yourself on and using the foot brake, but we build the muscle memory. It's so fun though. I feel like no trick is easier than a sit-down wheelie just dangle in your hand like you're in full control. I love it. Okay, a little bit. It's like an old-time moto vlog, learning wheelies on the Razor. It reminds me of. Reality is this is like what it actually takes. Like people see all these riders that get super good and they're like, how do you do this? How do you do that? It's like literally just this every day for a long time and persistence. And just really wanting it. Oh my god, I thought that was a cop again. I'm like all tweaked about the cops right now. It's because the e-bike life is cooked. So fun, dude. This is just bringing a whole nother aspect that is so damn fun to this. Oh my god. That could have been so bad, bro. Holy hell. Slipped right off the seat, dude, because I'm sweaty. Well, guys, thank you for coming along on ConnorG's foot brake practice in the horrible air quality amid the forest fires. Again, thoughts out to all of those that are actually closer to those forest fires up in Northern America and Canada and so on. So hoping that gets sorted, but also hoping my foot brake ability gets sorted. So highly recommend this. I'll link it down below. I'll link the bike down below. Code ConnorG to save. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.